Let's take a look at using the Advanced Feedback feature within Avatar Studio. To access Advanced Feedback in Avatar Studio, start in the editor and select the module you'd like to work on. Next, choose an episode that includes an AI conversation. Scroll down past the Standard Feedback section until you reach Advanced Feedback and expand the drop-down. Here, you'll first need to create a category. Categories help you group related feedback points together, making them easier to manage and analyze. Once your category is created, you can begin adding advanced feedback prompts within it. And that's it! Your advanced feedback is now set up. Just keep in mind, feedback entered here is used for insights and reporting and is not visible to learners after their conversations.